I remember being in your shoes and wondering how would I get my very first vending machine location. I was completely new to the industry. I didn't know exactly where to start, but I knew one thing. I had to talk to business owners and find a place willing to let me set up a machine. My husband and I had a small baby at the time, so we would take turns visiting locations in our spare time. I'd also call businesses during my son's nap time to pitch placing a vending machine. It wasn't easy, but eventually we found a company that was interested. It was a mechanic shop. Their last vending operator had stopped stocking the machine and they were open to trying something new. They agreed to let us place our machine as long as we kept it stocked regularly and made sure their favorite drinks were available. We found a good quality used machine for $750 and had it delivered right to the shop. It turned out to be the perfect starter location. It gave my husband a chance to learn and get comfortable with stocking and servicing the machine. We bought all the cans of soda for under $200, and since it was a small shop, we only had to refill it about once or twice a month. Looking back, here are a few pieces of advice I can give you from that experience. Don't overthink getting started. You don't have to buy brand new machines to get great results. And always ask the location what their favorite drinks and snacks are.